I had a plan to go directly to Hard Off Matsudo Kogasaki, but right by the station was a BookOff Super Bazaar, and I like those. They usually have some electronics, and I've always found at least one MD related thing. Getting close, and here's the Kenwood RD ES3 MD you may have seen on my Instagram. MD is working, and it comes with speakers for less than 10 USD. These have nice displays and can lay horizontally or stand vertically. Okay, enough distractions. Time to head to Hard Off Matsudo Kogasaki via a bus and a lot of walking. It was a nice day, and soon enough, it was in sight. It seems pretty big, but it has an off house, which is for some home goods and furniture. Here we go. It's always hard to know where to start. I usually start by checking the cases, then junk, but I see the working devices. No MDs here, but lots of MP3 players. I know there's some MD units there. This orange Yamaha is a CD unit, but it looks great. This Onkyo looks great and is working with a 3-month warranty. Pretty nice Denon DMG33. Just a bit of cleaning required on the side there. What else? Not MD, but this Sony MAP-S1 was a cutting-edge CD, MP3, and network audio player back in the day. Oh, a really nice Tascam MD CD1. It looks new. These had a PS2 port for a keyboard and were rack mountable. Again, this thing looks really good. This has a pitch control knob, so it's Mark 1 or Mark 2, but not a 3, which removed it. TIAC MD5 Mark II in great shape. Okay, onto the junk or less pristine stuff. Maybe a bit rough, but CD and MD work for 15 USD. This one works, but the buttons are wonky. The MD works here, but not the CD. This Kenwood works too, but it says the volume is flaky. No MD on that Sanyo, but this Victor has a good CD and MD. I love these Panasonic DVD MD units. They didn't test the MD, but the DVD doesn't work. Might be worth it for 15. A nice sharp AVI with good CD and MD? Yes please. Nice Sony NAS, but it's not MD. Neither of these had a working MD. For $20, this Sony CMT SE7 could be worth fixing the MD. It's CD, Super Audio CD, MD, and NetMD, with speakers. Lastly, some media. Lots of sealed ones, but I think we can do better on pricing. Well, so far it's been all decks and no portables. Let's see if we can find some next trip. Well, that's it for Matsudo. Remember to stop by those BookOff Super Bazaars if you see them. As always, thanks for watching.